Good morning, you guys. It's like, I think 9, like 10 hopefully. I'm trying to hurry up because I want to go to the farmer's market this morning and check it out over here. It's Sunday morning, so I think that'll be something good to do. So yeah, I'm gonna see maybe if I see fresh fruits and stuff. I think this is gonna be a good one. There's 2 different ones I'm debating between going to. There's like a flea market, and then there's a farmer's market combined, and then there's just a farmer's market. So I don't know, I'm debating. I literally was like up till 1 a.m. last night, which I'm proud of myself because I haven't been staying up late. And so I'm like, let me stay up late because I never do anymore, I feel like. So I was up at 1 a.m. and I was like, randomly was thinking about what can I do tomorrow? Like, I don't want to do anything like in an inside place. I don't want to go to the beach because I like to go to the beach for more than like 2 hours and it's gonna start raining. Like, what can I do that before it starts raining tomorrow? That's something I don't ever do, but that's outside. And I was like, oh my God, a farmer's market. So yeah, I think it'll be good. I'm just gonna put on my earrings. I literally have no idea what shoes to wear. I definitely want to wear sneakers just because, like, you know, if we're going to, I don't know, sandals would definitely be the easier choice, but I'm just not sure. That in the bag. For one, I'm gonna get some of these. I'm gonna get this coconut and they do it here and then you can drink it.
Fruit and sweet. Yeah, good meat too.
She said do it.
Yeah, you're gonna be yummy over them.
Oh.
Meat and juice.
Yeah. Thank you, thank you. Thank you.
Thank you.
Fruit or vegetable in here?
We got spicy buffalo ranch, booty butter, garlic, sweet scorpion meat, ghost.
Yeah, they're like out of it though.
Yeah.
Like, they got the buffalo ranch. I don't want that. They got dill pickle. Absolutely not.
So this
I
one
don't
is
think it's
fine.
gonna get. Yeah, and it's not far from us. Hey, you guys, so I just got back from the farmer's market / flea market, and yeah. So let me show you what I got. So I got this big coconut. It's coconut water. Tastes so good. The only complaint I have is I like all my drinks super cold, so I'm gonna take that straw and then pour it into a glass with some ice. I just have to. I just have to. But yeah, super fresh, really good. Then I got some popcorn. It's like the kettle corn, so this is gonna be so good. This is like the medium-sized bag. And then I kid you not, for this, all this section plus the coconut, this is only $13. So let me just show you guys, because I'm like, why am I going to the grocery store for this stuff? Like, I'm changing over a whole new leaf, okay? I got 4 lemons, because you guys know how I like my lemon water. I got a big tomato. I was gonna get a basket of tomatoes, but girl, we only have so many arms, because once I decided to get the coconut, you know? Okay, and then we got a whole basket of banana peppers. So we have a ton of these, like, and I'm gonna chop them up and put them in a salad. And then we got some avocados, and these look really good. Like, everything was so freaking fresh.
Jackie doing a curtsy, have your cake and eat it, baby, it's your birthday. Baby girl, you know what I want, let me do it to you, let me do you like Baby girl, you know what I want, let me do it to you, let me do you like heat, girl. Fire for fireman, baby, I'm your hero. Donald for Spider-Man. I'm in love with you, but this is not that. I'm on fire, won't find bigger. Got big shots saying that's that nigga. Whole beat with glasses, Weezy for geeky. Girls in the lobby, trying to meet me. I ain't afraid to say yeah, I love these hoes. In the glasses, in the jacket, and the hipster clothes. Guess I'm always on tour, what you mad at that for? I'm slamming that thing like the Cadillac though. I love fast women, Jackie doing a curse it. Have your cake and eat it, baby, it's your birthday. Baby girl, you know what I want, let me do it to you, do it to you. Let me do it like
Alright, you guys, so this is the hubby salad. That looks so yummy. I put on my cleaning clothes, like I kept on the bralette, but I put on some black shorts and socks and things like that, ready to clean, get it over with. So I have a lot more laundry than I thought I did because of the filming room, whatever, and then the hubby's office. And I was like, where did all this come from? Like, first I'm gonna start with bringing the laundry in here. It's like a big pile that I need to fold. Girl, I've been trying to keep my closet maintained and clean because, as you guys know, if you're not new here, that I just did a closet makeover. If you are new here, I'll go ahead and put this up here. I redid my closet. I like organized it. I took a whole clothing rack out. It just looks so good and so minimalist. One thing about it is I have to do my laundry on reset days because it's how I keep up with my laundry. Now, I will say sometimes I have to do my sheets on like a Monday, Tuesday, or Wednesday if I had a lot of clothes to wash on that reset day. And today was definitely one of those days, sis, because I had so many piles of clothes and this is just the first load.
What a go. Burgerlicious step. 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 Burgerlicious definition make them boys go crazy. They always claim they know me, coming to me, call me Stacy. I'm the S to the E, R, G, the I, the E, and can no other lady put it down like me. I'm Fergalicious, so delicious. My body stay vicious. I be up in the gym just working on my fitness. He's my witness. I put your boy on rock, and he be lining down the block just to watch. Burgerlicious.
Alright, so I don't know about you guys, but this is definitely one area I lack, so I definitely had to go ahead and dust it off. But this upcoming part in this song reminds me of Devious Maids. If you know, you know. It's a show. So for Prime Day, I got me a new cordless vacuum. I highly recommend, like, where have I been sis? This thing is amazing. It makes cleaning my floors so much easier, and I feel like I can get spots that I could never get before. I highly recommend.
So they get their pleasures from my photo. You can see me, you can't squeeze me. I ain't easy, I ain't sleazy. I got reasons why I tease them. Boys just come and go like seasons. Fergalicious, so delicious. But I ain't promiscuous. And if you were suspicious, all that shit is fictitious. I blow kisses. That puts them boys on rock. And they be lining down the block just to watch. What a go. Fergalicious stuff. Fergalicious stuff. Fergalicious stuff.
Alright, you guys, so I'm in my hallway area. I'm just going to go ahead and, like, wipe off with my hand just the egg chair cushions real quick because they're not that bad. I try to keep it maintained. For now, I just have my egg chair in the hallway here. This will probably be my next project I work on in this house, is this hallway area. It's actually very big. You just can't tell from the angle I have the camera at. But yeah, so I'm going to go ahead and set my diffuser to end off my day of cleaning.